Dear students, welcome to all to Shree Kamakshi tutorials. Today we are discussing some most important questions on real numbers. These are the most important questions for the point of view of examination. In the previous class we are discussing some most important questions. Today we are continue these most important questions. First most important question is if 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube b is equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5. C is equal to 3 raised to n into 5 square. And LCM of ABC is equal to 5 square into 3 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 4. Then n is the value. They asked the value of n. First is given is A is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube. B is equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5. C is equal to 3 raised to n into 5 square. They are also given LCM of ABC. LCM of ABC is a 5 square into 3 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 4. LCM means highest power. Highest power of 5 is a 5 square. Here is a square. Therefore 5 square. 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 means the value of LCM means highest power. Here is a n. They ask the value of n. Therefore, the value of n is 3 raised to n is here is a 3 raised to 4. Here is a 3 raised to n. LCM means the highest power. Therefore, here the value of n is equal to 4. They ask the value of n. Therefore, option number D, 4 is the right answer. Here is a 2 raised to 4. Here is a 2 raised to 3. Here is a 2 raised to 4. LCM means the highest power. Here is a 5 raised to 1. Here is a 5 raised to 2. LCM means 5 square means highest power. That means 3 raised to 4. Here is a LCM 3 raised to 4 means the value of n should be 4. Understand students? The next question. If A is equal to 2 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 10 and B is equal to 2 cube into 3 raised to 7, then HCF of HCF of A and B. Given is A is equal to 2 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 10. B is equal to 2 cube into 3 raised to 7. They ask the HCF. HCF means here is a 2 raised to 7. Here is a 2 raised to 3. The HCF means lowest power. Lowest power means 2 cube. Therefore, HCF is a 2 cube into here is a 3 raised to 7. Here is a 3 raised to 10. HCF means lowest power. LCM is a highest power. Here is a 3 raised to 7. 2 cube into 3 raised to 7. That means option number C is the right answer. Next question. If two positive integers P and Q can be expressed as a P is equal to 18 into A square B raised to 4 and Q is equal to 20 into A cube B square, where A and B are prime numbers, then LCM of P and Q. They ask the LCM. Here is a given is a P is equal to 18 into A square B raised to 4. Q is equal to 20 into A cube B square. First find out, here is a 18, 20 LCM. 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 10, 2 10s are 20, 9 and 20 are not in the same table. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 9 into 10. 2 into 9 into 10. 2 9s are 18, 18 10s are 180. That means LCM is equal to 120. Here is a 18 and 20's LCM is a 180. Here is a square. Here is a cube. LCM means the highest power. Highest power of A is a cube. That means here is a cube. Next here is a B raised to 4 and a B square. LCM means highest power. Highest power is a B raised to 4. That means LCM of P and Q is a 180 into A cube into B raised to 4. That means option number D is the right answer. Next question. Two positive integers m and n are expressed as m is equal to p raised to 5 into q square and n is equal to pq into q raised to 4, where p and q are prime numbers. the LCM of m and n is. Here given is a m is equal to p raised to 5 q square. N is equal to PQ Q raised to 4. They asked the LCM of Mn. LCM means the highest power. Here is a PQ, here is a P raised to 5. That means highest power is a P raised to 5. Therefore, here is a P raised to 5. Here is a Q square and Q raised to 4. They asked the LCM. LCM means highest power. Highest power is a Q raised to 4. That means LCM of M and N is a P raised to 5 and Q into Q raised to 4. That means option number C is the right answer. Next question. If the prime factorization of 2520 is 2 cube into 3 raised to a into b into 7, then the value of a plus 2b, then the value of a plus 2b is, first, 2520 is expressed as in a prime factorization form. Here is a 0 means this is a even number. That means 250 comes in 2 table. 2 ones are 2. Here is a 5. 2 twos are 4. Here 5 minus 4 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 2 becomes 12. 2 6s are 12. 0 0. Next 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 0. Next 2 3s are 6. Here is a 3. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 0 becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. Next 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Next 3 ones are in the table. 1 is not. In the 3 ones are table, 1 is not. Therefore, we take as a 0. Then 1 becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. Next 3 3s are 9. Here is a 10. 10 is not in the 3 table. Then 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 5 becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. 35 is in the 5 table. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. Next 2520 is written as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. That should be written here. That means 2520 is equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into a. Given is a 2520 is equal to 2 cube into 3 raised to a into b into 7. Comparing these two, we get a is equal to 2. Here is a 2 cube. 3 raised to a. Here is a 3 raised to 2. That means the value of a is equal to 2. Next here is a b. B is a 5. Here is a 7. Here also 7. That means b is equal to, the value of b is equal to 5. They ask a plus 2b. The value of a plus 2b. Then a is a 2 plus 2 into b is a 5. 2 plus 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is a 12. That means option number A, 12 is the right answer. Next question. Exponent of 3 in the prime factorization of 243 is. Here is a 3. 243. They given is a exponent of 3. Exponent of 3 in prime factorization form of 243 is a 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Here is a 8. 8 minus 6 is a 2. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. That means 243 is written as a 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 243 is equal to 3 raised to 5. That means exponent of 3 is a, here is a 5. The exponent of 3 is a 5. That means option number D is the right answer. Next question. Prime factorization of 4 to 4 is. Prime factorization of the prime factorization are most and most important. If you understand the to form a prime factorization, you have the 1 marks in your hand. That means prime factorization of 4 to 4. Prime factorization of 4 to 4. That means 4 to 4. 4 is a even. Then it comes in a 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Next 2 1s are 2. 1 is not in the 2 1s are table. Here right here is a 0. Then 1 becomes 12. 2 6s are 12. Next 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 53 is in a prime number. Therefore 53 ones are 53. Then 4 2 1. 4 to 4 is written as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 53. That means 4 to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 53. That means option number C is the right answer. Next question. If 2800 is equal to 2 raised to x into 5 raised to y into 7, then the value of x plus y is, first we have write 2820 is in the prime factorization form. That means here is a 0 means that will become in the 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 0, 0. Next 2 sevens are 14, 0, 0. 2 threes are 6. Here is a 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 0 becomes 10. 2 fives are 10, 0. Next 2 ones are 2. Here is a 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then it becomes 15. 5 becomes 15. 2 sevens are 14. Here is a 15. 15 minus 14 is 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 0 becomes 10. 2 fives are 10. Next here is a 5 means this number comes in 5 table. 5 threes are 15. Here is a 17. Left here 17 minus 15 is a 2. That means the 2 is written here. Then 5 becomes 25. 5 fives are 25. Next 5 sevens are 35. 7 ones are 7. Given is a 2800 is equal to 2 raised to x into 5 raised to y into 7. 2820 is written as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 raised to 4. That right here. 5 into 5. That means 5 square. Into 7 is there 7. On comparing these two, we get the value of x is equal to, here is a 2, here is also 2. Here x means x is equal to 4. Here is a 5, here is also 5. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. They ask x plus y. X plus y. The value of x plus y means 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is a 6. That means option number D is the right answer. Next question. The HCF of a smallest 2-digit number and the smallest composite number is. The smallest 2-digit number is a 10. The smallest composite number is a 4. This 10 can be written as a 2 into 5. 4 is written as a 2 into 2. HCF means HCF is comes in both. Here is a 2. HCF is equal to 2. Here is 5. Here is not a 5. Here is a 2. Here is also not a 2. That means 2 is the HCF. Next question. The LCM of smallest odd number and the greatest 2-digit number is. The smallest odd number is a 3. The greatest 2-digit number is a 99. That means 3 can be written as a 1 into 3. 99 can be written as a 3 into 3 into 11. 11 3s are 33. 33 3s are 99. LCM means LCM. Here is a 3. Write 1 3 into 3 into 11. That means 99 is the LCM. Next question. The LCM of smallest prime number and the smallest odd composite number. The smallest prime number is a 2. The smallest odd composite number is a 9. The LCM of 2 and 9 are not comes in one table. That means LCM of 2 and 9 is a 2 9s are 18 is the LCM. Next question. If the product of two co-prime number is a 553, then the HCF is a 1. HCF of a two co-prime number is a 1. The total number of factors of prime number. It is a easy question. The total number of prime factors of prime number is a 2. That means option number C is the right answer. Next question. The smallest irrational number by which root 20 should be multiplied so to get the rational number 20. 20 is multiplied by 20 is a 400. 400. They ask the smallest irrational number. 20 into 20 is multiplied by 20 into 20 is a 400. 400 means 20 is a 400. Square root of 400 is a 20. Here is a square root of 20 into 2. Square root of 20 into 2 is a 22 is a 40. Square root of 40. Here is a square root of 20 into 5. 5 is not a root 5. It's only 5. That means 5 into root 20. Here is a square root of 20 into square root of 5. Square root of 5. That means 20 into 5 is a 20 into 5 is a 100. 25 is a 100. That means 10 10 is a 100 is a 10. They asked the here is also we get a rational number. Here is also we get a rational number. They asked the smallest irrational number by which root 20 should be multiplied. We get a rational number means the smallest number is a root 5. That means the root 5. Option number D is the right answer. Here is also we get the rational number but is a biggest number. In this question ask the greatest irrational number by which root 20 should be multiplied as to get a rational number. Then the answer should be A root 20 is the answer. Here is asked the smallest irrational number. That means option number D is the right answer. Next, a pair of irrational numbers whose product is a rational number. Here is 16 into 4. 16 into 4 is a 64. 16 into 4 is a 64. A pair of irrational number whose product is a rational number. They ask the whose product is a irrational number. Whose product is a rational number. Here is a 27 into 3 is a 81. 81 is a 9 9 is a 81. That means a pair of irrational number whose product is a rational number means option number C is the right answer. Students, if you like this channel, you like, share, subscribe. Thank you.